So
we're part 2.
Probably calling it today, but we'll be back tomorrow.
Part 2.
For part 2. Stay tuned.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This is part 2. Did we mention we were having a part 2? I think
no.
We did.
We? Okay.
We might have. This is part 2 of our short-eared owls encounter.
In the same location.
Yeah. It's mid-February, so I think they're starting to
think about leaving.
Yeah, we're at a coastal location, so I think they're starting to collect and feed up, ready for their journey home.
Definitely.
So this might be our last.
I don't think we're going to get many more opportunities.
Last shorty film of them.
Might have another week or two, but
until the winter.
Yeah, it's looking like it's coming to the end of our season anyway.
You don't seem that happy about that.
I'm not. No, I'm going to miss them.
Well, that's why they're so special.
Yes,
because we only get them.
Yep.
In the winter. So, well, we're fingers crossed we're going to see some more today.
The sun is out. It's a bit windy though.
Yeah.
Which might put them off flying around. Well, although I think I'm right in saying we had this discussion earlier, didn't we? That they're not the same as barn owls, where they rely more on their hearing. Barn owls rely more on their hearing. Because a barn owl wouldn't be hunting in this wind, would it?
No.
Whereas the short-eared owls are more used to hunting in it most weathers, really, aren't they?
Well, again, I haven't researched it, but as far as I know, they've got much better eyesight, the short-eared owls, than barn owls. But they've got a much bigger wingspan, so I don't know if that helps them cut through the wind and glide better, or whether the wind catches under their wings. I don't know.
I'd say it catches under their wings, but they don't fly high anyway, do they? So they tend to stay quite near to the ground, so they can get shelter from the wind through hedges, can't they, and banks and stuff. So
wind will dip anyway, won't it? But they could. It might mean that they stay on lots of posts.
Well, I was just going to say we might get some perch shots.
Might do.
Video might be a little bit tricky today though with the wind.
Well, that's why we're doing this introduction in the car.
Yes,
aren't we?
yes, it is windy.
We have got our mics with this, but the noise-wise is going to be better.
Yeah, definitely. So we're going to stay in the car, I think, for a little while and drive up and down our little road and see if we can see any.
Plus a bit cold.
Plus it's a bit cold. So fingers crossed you'll see more from us.
Yep.
Shortly.
Speak to They're up. We've seen 2, haven't we?
Yes,
fly around. Got
we
a couple
have.
of flight shots, and I've lost them now.
Yep.
So we're now going to drive back down to a bit out of the wind and see if
It's windy.
it is.
It is
see
windy.
if we can find out where they are.
Hopefully you can hear us. I'm using the mic. So.
See if we can find out where they are.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. We run out.
Wow, that was great.
We drove halfway down the road.
Yeah.
And found them again.
Yep.
And they've been perched, 2 of them, different places. Obviously, they don't like the wind and the cold as well as we do.
No,
and they've been huddled up on, what are they, stumps?
Fence posts.
Fence posts.
Yeah.
So I did manage to get maybe a slight bit of film.
Yeah. Yeah, that's windy though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, but I'm sure.
But it's been amazing, absolutely
It
amazing.
has. Yep.
We're going to give it, another half an hour?
Yeah, I think.
Because they're up again and I don't know where they've gone now.
Yep,
Give
half
it
an hour would be good.
Don't know.
Yeah, might be one over there.
Yeah. About another half an hour and see if we get
But
any
we
more.
got some perch shots.
Yes.
Well, you got some perch shots. I was a bit
Yes.
further along. I don't know whether mine will come out as good as yours, but yours definitely.
Yes, I got some, yes.
You did, which is good. Okay, so
yes.
we'll see you soon.
Were you still looking as you're
No, there's a
talking?
bird over there.
Okay, right. We've just gone post mad, haven't we?
We have.
Any pigeon, magpie, dirt. We've been
Yeah, I
running
just
around.
swore I saw something on the post, and that was not. It's not even anything on the post, but I kept saying to Jem, "That's moving. That's moving."
It has been exciting.
It has.
We haven't seen him for about 20 minutes
No,
now.
I think that's light is going as well.
Yeah.
That's why we're back in the car. It's too cold. It's very exposed here, isn't it?
Mm.
Very exposed.
But still,
So we've got a collie dog looking at us.
brilliant day, wasn't
Mm.
it? Brilliant day.
Mm-hmm.
Collie dog looks like he's going to knock on the door.
It's having a wee.
Brilliant day. Well worth the trip.
Yep.
And got lots to show you, and we're going to go and get coffee, aren't we?
We are. So,
You look grumpy.
no, I'm just cold.
Cold.
Yeah. I was just saying I'm looking forward to the spring. Another month. We'll get more.
Month and a bit.
You tend to get more wildlife as well, don't you, in the spring?
Oh, definitely, yeah.
So that'll be coming at us thick and fast.
Barnhouse parading.
Yep.
Kingfishers passing fish.
Yes. Yeah, that'll
Don't know if
definitely be.
Don't know if we'll get that this year.
But we
We'll
will.
see.
Why not?
Well.
Why wouldn't we?
I only saw it last year.
We will. We'll get it. And the avocets, I like an avocet. It's a nice water bird.
On toast.
Can't eat a whole one. They'll be arriving very soon. In fact, I think
Arriving.
we
live here
saw
all year
some.
round.
Yeah, but where we go, they're more prevalent.
To the
Yeah.
breeding area. Yes.
They're more prevalent, so they'll be here shortly. Or
Shortly.
Shorty. Yeah, so that's us done for today anyway. We're waffling, Jem. So
Yeah, no, I'm just doing another sweep round.
that's us done for the day. This is Rich and Jem saying goodbye. If you like our video, subscribe. If you don't like it, tell us why you don't like it, but you'll like it.
No, we get thumbs down.
We do sometimes. Okay, bye. See you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.